The Supreme Board of Judges and Prosecutors, HSYK, has ruled that there are no grounds to investigate former prosecutor Mehmet Yüzgeç, who the HSYK expelled from the legal profession in May for his role in a major graft probe that went public in December 2013. Commenting on the ruling, Yüzgeç said on his Twitter account on Wednesday that the HSYK acknowledged in its decision that he was merely doing his job as a public prosecutor by investigating malpractice, bribery, and zoning irregularities. The HSYK is responsible for the appointment and replacement of judges in Turkey but has come under increasing criticism for decisions alleged to have been ordered by the Justice and Development Party, AK Party, government. Prosecutors Yüzgeç, Zekeriya Öz, Celal and Muammer Akkaş as well as Judge Süleyman Karaçöl were disbarred by the HSYK on May 12 for taking part in a graft probe that came to public attention on December 17, 2013, implicating senior government figures. The corruption probe prosecutors were suspended in December 2014 by the HSYK until the completion of the investigation against them, in which they were accused of malpractice. The HSYK allowed an investigation into the 4 prosecutors after an order from then Justice Minister Bekir Bozdağ and tasked 3 inspectors with examining the accusations leveled against them. The report claimed that the prosecutors had damaged the dignity of their offices through inappropriate acts and behavior. Yüzgeç said on Twitter the HSYK has not examined the investigation file about himself and decided his expulsion based on a report from inspectors. Countering accusations that the graft prosecutors did not inform the Istanbul chief public prosecutor about the investigation, he said, "I wonder in how many of the 200,000 annual investigations at the Istanbul chief prosecutor's office the chief prosecutor is informed beforehand." Although the HSYK claims that all the suspects in the graft probe were detained, as if they are all criminals without a distinction between those who were involved in crime and who were not, only 20 to 25 of the suspects out of the 80 in the investigation file were detained and 17 of them were referred to a court for arrest. "I leave the safe boxes, money counters and money stashed in shoeboxes found in the houses of the suspects to the consideration of the public." During the December 17 raids, police found $4.5 million in cash stored in shoeboxes and about $10 million in cash in a bookshelf in then Halkbank general manager Süleyman Aslan's house. Iranian businessman Reza Zarrab, the prime suspect in the graft probe, allegedly sent €500,000 in bribes to former EU Affairs Minister B. Nearly $1 million in cash and a number of money-counting machines were found at the home of Bar Güler, the son of former Interior Minister Muammer Güler, during the December 17 police raid.